try to make this simple and plain and hopefully quick. I might just start rambling on. Whatever job position you're starting at, and the young adults, you're starting at the bottom of wherever it could be. Flipping burgers, receptionist, customer service, warehouse, delivery driver. You have to understand there's higher ups. There's managers, assistant managers, supervisors, directors, president, VP, CFO. You know what I'm getting at, right? And you got a lot of young adults now coming into the workforce. And even when I was younger and came into the workforce, a lot of them had the cliches of saying, it's not my job to do so. That's above my pay rate. You all know what I'm talking about. As for me coming up, I listened and did everything that upper management may say, hey, I need you to do X, Y, Z. I've seen other people say, it's not my job to do so. I was first with my hand up, let me jump in. That goes a long way. You're acquiring knowledge that other people paid for it to get. Now they spilling the beans onto you. I don't understand how to do it. Could you show me? Can you get someone to train me? Yeah, sure, no problem. I'll get so-and-so to come over here and train you on how to do certain things. I never knew how to do aluminum welding. I made it look good when they took me on, but they had someone to actually show me how to properly do the aluminum welding. Warehouse was like the go-to thing back in the 90s. And even there, Mr. Williams, I need you on that forklift. I said, I'm not forklift certified. I said, I had no problem jumping on there and offloading this truck to look out for whomever is missing or at lunch. You got to certify me. We're going to make this top priority, Mr. Williams. Get you certified. Have certifications. Boom. That easy. Had other people say, man, you're a damn fool, man. Ain't no way in hell. They're going to give you more money. At that point in time, I think I got probably caught about 50 cents out of that. But as years go on, I participate hands-on, lend my back out to get things done, help other people. And in the long run, it started paying off. 2 to 3 years, 3 to 5 years is the range. Young adults, you need to start getting into the grind of things. You're not going to sit there at a review every year, sitting, hoping and begging for money. Because the thing is, if you go into your review and I'll give you 75 cents. No, I'm sorry. Let me bring it back up to 2026. I'll give you $1.50, $2. And you start whining and complaining that you want $3. Whining and complaining that you want $4. And keep whining and complaining. And they be like, you know what? Take the $4 raise. A light bulb goes off in your head. So I really don't have to work harder. I could just complain. Whine and complain for more money. And eventually they'll give it to me. And you're not worrying about learning something new, a new skill set. Some of the reviews, actually, they have a checkbox. Where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years? Where do you see yourself? Where would you like to go within this company? Management told me some wild stuff. I get it. Certain employees, it's cool being in one spot for 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Hey, no problem. That's on you. But you better make sure you're getting some type of compensation from it. The companies will think you're at a standstill, you're stuck. Now they just throw you bones and you're happy. Can't be me. Never was me. My plan and mode always was to learn, to listen to everything people talking about. Certain conversations will stir back up. And they're talking, and I could come out of the blue and be like, Eric said this actually, that to go do this certain type of way, it'd be more efficient. They'd be like, who the hell is this kid? Right? It was many a times I chimed in with information that I heard from other people, from installers, engineers, warehouse employees, operation managers. I listen to everything and I apply it over and over and over. Now, did it pay out for me? Yes, yeah, it did actually. It paid pretty big, but it was a slow start to it until they start catching traction. I was a go-to person for a lot of things that other people won't do or don't want to do or catch a hissy fit to do it. I have no problems doing it. My yes are yes, and my no's are no. Just gave up a hidden gem of mine. People say, you say yes all the time. When I say no, It's just as me saying yes. No, it won't be done. Dear young adults, you got to change your mindset, your skill set. They're not passing out free meal tickets anymore quite for about 7 years now. What part would you play in your company? What part you going to play in hospitality, the food industry? What part are you playing? Are you just want to be shuffled around, or are you trying to excel? Listen to what those higher ups are talking about, the logistics of things, not just picking something up and moving it over there. Fixing something in that particular area versus someone come and fix that and do a preventive maintenance. There's a big difference. I got thumbnails floating around. Check out my management playlist over there. Markie Williams online certification courses. Swing over there to Facebook. I got a Facebook page, Markie Williams online certification courses. Check me at Instagram, which right about now, I don't remember what it's called. Go ahead and do your do. It's Markie Williams. Like, follow, comment down below as to what you would like to get certified in. And also check out the other playlists that I have on my channel. Medical, side hustles that pay, food safety, AI, warehousing. Whisper at me. Let me do my do with you, all right? It's Markie Williams. I'm going to see you guys in the future.